Hi there, this is Bryce with Bazinga Lawn Care coming at you today with a little product install of a Catchpro with the Catchpro dust cover onto a John Deere 636M. I do have a quick shoot on it, so we'll see what kind of challenges that brings. Alright, so what I did is I have the quick shoot on here, the blocker. So what I did is I drilled 3 1/4-inch screws, bolts, put them in for the quick shoot adapter right here. And what I also had to do is I installed 3 nylon spacers with number 10 screws for the quick shoot, because this was not closing down all the way. I had a huge gap and I didn't like the way it looked. Defeated the purpose of owning it. So what I'll do is I'll set this up and show y'all how you put the quick shoot on. I believe I could do it one hand. So you gotta have a hole here with that pin.
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, you got a pin. And down. So there it is.
I want to put the...
Alright, well, that's all we have today on the John Deere 636M. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them all. And give me a big like. Kind of tells me to keep making more videos. I do appreciate it. Once again, this is Bryce with Bazinga Lawn Care. Thank you.